Here's what the CRM team has been working on in the month of December 2025. Now, how many times have you shuffled between different modules to find one particular record and in the way forgotten what you were looking for anyway? This is what we sought to solve. And voila, let's start with the big one, WorkQueue. Your all-in-one workspace for all your daily tasks. We have three key sections here: My Open Activities, My Jobs, My WorkQueues. Here, you can view all your scheduled and overdue tasks, meetings, calls, and appointments with color-coded indicators. You can edit details, add notes, and perform actions. From My Jobs, you can handle approvals, blueprint actions, review requests, image validations, and take actions. And My WorkQueue lets you create module-specific queues. Click the plus icon and choose from the suggested queues, or choose a module and create one based on custom view, data field, or criteria. Then choose Show Records Owned By and save. You can also change the queue type to list view or category view and rearrange them if needed. From here, you can perform actions like convert, edit, or delete records, or even create a meeting or schedule a call. If you are a manager, you can also add your team members' queues and monitor their work. In Configure Price Quote, Zia suggests optimal product configuration rules based on your quoting patterns. When enough quotes are available, rule recommendations will be enabled automatically and appear with the Zia icon. You can review them, adjust if needed, and activate them. In Price Rules, you can now add extra conditions so they apply only to the items you want. Then we have Intelligent Character Recognition. You can create records from images using Zia's zero-shot field prompt. In just a few seconds, Zia extracts the data and fills in the fields automatically. If there's new information that wasn't mapped already, you'll see a new data alert. Click Fix This, map the field, save, and proceed. Zia then adds all extracted data to the right fields. In Canvas List View, you can create templates from images using Zia. When you upload an image with a list layout, Zia will create a matching canvas layout in seconds. Then you can edit, rearrange, restyle, and map text to CRM fields either manually or automatically. Global sets now support color coding. You can apply colors to values similarly like picklist fields, and they appear wherever the set is used. Next, you can set conditions to trigger automatic portal invites. Also, send them in single or multiple languages based on the user's location, preferences, or other criteria. You can even set separate conditions for each language. Using the Common Condition option, you can set a prerequisite before any language-specific conditions are applied. In the portal configuration page, the Common List View has dedicated columns for List View, Detail View, and Create View, making setup clearer and more organized. Your clients can now view and interact with the data for inventory modules using Template View as the Detail View. Additionally, your portal users can now export records as PDFs. And now you can migrate file storage to OneDrive from existing CRM accounts. Once the admin logs in, they will see a pop-up to schedule migration, and they can proceed to select a convenient time slot. We have simplified formulas for you. Now, you can generate formula expressions with Zia. In the Formula field, just describe what you need in Zia's Formula Expression Assistant chat window, and it will generate the formula for you. Click on Insert, check the syntax, save, and it works immediately on the record detail page for the module. And that's a wrap on all the enhancements for December 2025. To know more, refer to the help doc in the description below. I'll see you again next month, and thank you.